Mmesikia kwamba kuna changamoto taifa la Kenya kwa mambo ya strike. Kuna mashule chache taifa letu ambayo wanalete nyoko. Na nataka kuchukua nafasi niseme kwamba out of our 9,500 schools in Kenya, secondary schools, it's only less than 80 schools which are creating problem. We have 3.2 million learners in Kenya. About only 2,000 are bringing problem. We are not going to close or interfere with our calendar of our schools because of a few students who are bringing problem in our country. We cannot accept to be distracted by a few criminal students who are engaging in bad activities in our schools. We are going to stand very firm, and we request all the stakeholders, all the leaders to team up with us so that we can be able to do the right thing. Ama mnasema ni watu wa Bomet. Kama in Bomet County, out of 1,800 schools in Bomet, there are only 3 schools where incitement is going on. And we have decided to deal with those people. And we are putting them on notice. Even the students who are burning schools, you will not go scot-free. We shall come for you. If you are responsible, tutakupeleka jela na tukufunge huko, hata kama wewe ni mtoto. We will not accept that watoto wachache wanapewa incitement, wanaharibu elimu katika taifa la Kenya. We have to stand firm, and we are calling upon parents. We must talk to our children. We must support our teachers. We must support our principals. We must support our schools. We are putting a lot of investment. This government is putting 770 billion in education. Alafu watu wachache wanataka kuja kuharibu. Watu wachache wanataka kulete nyoko. We are not going to accept. We are going to stand firm. Tutawaendea. We will deal with them individually. It is not about collective. Hata mashule tatu hapa Bomet ambao wanaleta mchezo. We are going to isolate the students who are bringing problem. We deal with their parents. We deal with the students, and there will be no excuse whatsoever for anybody who is disturbing the peace in our schools. The school system in Kenya is working very well. There is no tension in our schools. 99.2% of our schools are safe, and students and learning is going on without any problem. Ama mnasemaje watu wa Bomet? Mnasemaje watu wa Bomet?